Hey guys, Pigwas here, and today we're playing more Baldi.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and... Oh, hi! Welcome to my schoolhouse! Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math! Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Just type the correct answer into the empty box. Press the right job. That's right. Great job. That's right. Rob, you're doing fantastic. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Just click on it with the left mouse button to pick it up. Then, when you find something you can use it on, write problem 1. 4 minus 2. I can't believe it. You're incredible. Good one. Problem 3. Plus times.
You know, maybe it's someone else's number too, but people can share the same number. I'm not greedy. Yeah, you know, I'm totally fine with multiple people sharing the same number. But it still is Baldi's number. Don't even try me. It is Baldi's number. I hate playtime. I hope she doesn't come.
I see you.
Baldi's just
Friend.
standing right there. Ah! You know, Baldi would be really fun to play, I think.
Will you marry me?
No, thank you. Oh no, he's here. If you don't mind giving me this. I would like to leave now, please. I would like to not brutally be murdered.
No.
2 take away 4, and that's negative 2. You see, I know some math. Me no math. What? Wait, what? What? That's not... What? I guess, endless. I played it before, but I don't remember what happened in maybe I just don't remember. So,
I see you, friend.
so what's this?
I have lost you. I don't like that.
What do the shoes actually do though? It's like, it's really confusing. I don't know what they do. Yeah, you see they just float in there. Oh. What? No, I'm under arrest. Please don't recycle your food. Who recycles food? No, if you block my way.
Give me something great. What? No items.
What was I supposed to do?
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
You know what? I'm just gonna...
Oh, hi. Welcome to my school. Now it's time.
I'm just gonna... Yeah, Baldi, I don't care. It's just... Yeah, I'm a horrible student. I know. Baldi, we all know. We all know I'm horrible, okay? Trying to get the secret ending here. There's actually a secret ending if you do get all of them wrong. But since it gets faster every time you get one wrong, it's nearly impossible. So there's some cool stuff in that. So, I mean, fork! Fudging fork.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning.
Fork.
That's me.
Oh noes. School is out, but your friend has a problem. He left all his notebooks in school, but he doesn't have time to go get them, because if he does, he'll be late for eating practice. To help him out, you have to go back in the school and find all his notebook. Oh, it's notebooks, but for him. It won't be easy though. Baldi, and yeah, Baldi, but seems like it's Baldi. Baldi loves challenging the students with fun trivia. Math ain't trivia. Math problem. Fun. Baldi loves challenging the students with horrendous math problems whenever he can. Each time you find a notebook, you'll have to answer some questions. And I just want you guys to know that this game is a serious game. It's not. Uh, this game is a serious game. It's not just like someone felt it bad. It's it's an actual game. Well, thanks. Please subscribe. Bye.